I think managing expectations for clinical research, it's so important. It's almost impossible. I think we do our best to try to really inform, again, what are the questions we are trying to answer with this research. And at the end, so let's take the instance where a trial is not successful. Not successful, what that means is it hasn't met the identified endpoints. It doesn't mean that investigational product is never going to make it. It doesn't mean that all hope should be lost. It means that something has happened in this period of time that is not what was anticipated or expected, or didn't show enough information. And sometimes it's simply that we thought we might see an impact in 6 months, but it turns out we actually need 18 months to see an impact. It's all a process of learning. And so, as disappointing as it is when we put our hopes in something happening as planned, sometimes things take a bit of a detour. And I do think that on the roadmap of drug development, especially in rare diseases, there are a lot of detours. And I think one lesson I've learned over the years, and I have imparted this everywhere I have worked, is there's zero benefit in giving timelines. So you may want so badly to hear a company say, we expect this new treatment to become available in 5 years, or we expect to start enrolling this trial in 4 months. I will tell you, as someone who has worked in the biotechnology industry now for some time, you are very unlikely to hear those timelines, because no good comes from missing a timeline when you've set expectations. There's a lot that happens at the last minute. There's a lot of conversations with regulatory agencies. There's a lot that goes into manufacturing investigational product to be used in trials. There's almost an infinite number of steps that need to be covered before research can actually start. And then once research starts, there's so much else that needs to go on in order for that drug to ultimately become even viable to be assessed by the FDA or the EMA or other regulators.